I can't resist, as an aside, pointing out that you can see the generational change between Peirce and James on the one hand and Dewey on the other in their facial hair. Peirce and James have the full beards characteristic of the second half of the 19th century. Dewey is clean shaven. That became the style in the early years of the 20th century. It was thought of as hygienic and a symbol of the way things were going to be different in the post-Victorian 20th century. And it's striking, at least to me, that there's an analogy between these. If you look at Kant and Hegel, put Fichte even in with Kant, they presented in the 18th century style, where because some powerful men were bald and some powerful men had gray hair, it became obligatory that everyone wear a powdered wig that made invisible the difference between bald and non-bald people or gray-haired and non-gray-haired. Everyone wore a powdered white wig. Kant did, as I say, even Fichte did. Hegel never did. Hegel wore his own hair long, for a good deal of his life tied in a ponytail at the back. And once again, this difference in sort of your face was understood at the time as emblematic of the new century. So we can see those changes in our beloved German idealists and in these American pragmatists. Okay, end of that digression. I just couldn't